Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and I'm Shaiju Balagopal, your fitness trainer. And what we're going to do today, we're going to burn the first day of the week, and we're going to start with increasing your testosterone and from down up. So you're going to start from your leg. So we're starting with leg workout, and it's a functional leg training session which is going to be very intense, and it starts with a very intense workout today. They already finished 2 sets of it, and which is 15 into 3 is what we are going to. What workout is it? So what we're going to do is combine 2 things. Take 2 weights, hold it up like this, load it. I've taken a very light weight so that I can demo it well. Right? So hold it up like this, and then squat, then lunge, squat. So that's one. Okay, so you can do it other way around: squat, lunge, squat, lunge. You can do it that way as well, right? So this whole thing is 1, and you're going to do 15 and 3 sets of that. That's the first exercise. They've done 2 sets. Try doing it till the end. That's going to be intense. You're going to include a lot of whole leg is going to get incinerated today, right? Guys, the next exercise is equally intense. Okay, so it's the sumo squat, which is the easy part of it, and then you have the inside squat, the normal squat. Okay, so you're going to do a hack squat or half squat. Okay, so you're going to go only halfway through. So if you take the reference of this line here, you're only going to go that much. So yes, it's going to be loaded. So I'm going to take these 2 dumbbells or kettlebell. Okay, so what you're going to do is the first part is go till that line, then step with your toes out, then squat down. Okay, bring down, squat, step off, and squat. Okay, now the things you'll have to be careful is don't buckle your knees forward. Keep your knees away. If you're not able to do it, hold the kettlebell like this and press it away so that your toe, heel, knee, hip is in one straight line, and then do the sumo squat. Then bring up, come up, squat. Okay, so do this, right? So 15 into 3, that's what you're going to do. Next exercise, okay, you're going to focus on doing it really slow, and this is more about control of your muscles than anything else. You're going to control your quads, whether it's a descent or an ascent, you're going to control. So now you realize why the bar is here. So you're going to ascend the bar, and then you're going to descend it as well. Take the help of your partner, so you're going to do it one at a time. Okay, so I'm going to call location for this, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Lokesh. So Lokesh is the one trainer, come to say. Okay, he's been with me, and he's training. He's going to assist me here in most of the shooting. Stay there, don't climb. Okay, so the first one, you need to go slow. So go slow and start ascending slow. Okay, and then throw your leg forward, come down slow. Okay, and again ascend, descend. Then the partner does it. Okay, the same leg. So you finish the leg, and then for 10 reps in this leg, then shift to the other leg. This is very intense. Again, you will understand how your leg is working. You will feel every muscle in the leg, and that's very intense. The slower you do, better it is. All right, so let's go 10 into 4 this time. All right, do it. If you're watching this video till now, like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends. Write to us and tell us what you need. We'll help you out. Hey guys, the next exercise, the previous exercise was super intense for all of them. Getting the stabilizers work was tough, okay, because you cannot create momentum, rise up, bring it back down. It's almost painful. So what I'm doing is I'm giving you an alternate exercise which is easier to do. So what you do is, there are 2 ways of doing this. Now, the inclined part, what you do is keep your leg like this, L shape. Okay? So I'll turn a bit. Okay? So like this. Sorry, if I turn, it'll be a little difficult. So here, Lunge can come this way. Okay? So now keep your one leg like this and one leg in front, and sit on a chair. Okay? Then lift this leg, then put your hand out, and without creating, don't rock your body, okay, just rise up and drop. Okay, then if you want the decline one, just take the leg little behind, okay, and then put your leg forward. From there, rise up and go down, rise up and go down. Don't slump or create momentum by going up. Do it really slow, and it's super good. And it's the replacement of the previous exercise, what you were trying to do, and it is going to be continuing the same way. Right? Do it. Hey guys, thanks for watching till the end. We did 4 exercises, so it was more for the stabilizers of your leg, and yes, a little bit of your leg as well. So it is an intense workout today. So thanks for watching till the end, and that's the first thing I would like to say. And share it with your friends and your family and everyone you know, and ask questions if you have anything, any doubts regarding anything. Okay, anything regarding fitness, so that I can help you out and make videos like these for you. So to watch such content, continue, subscribe our video and share it with your friends. Thank you.